My name is Curtis Gross, and I'm the spare parts manager here at Phyllis Automation. What I do day to day is answer emails, answer the phone calls. We usually have a lot of customers that need help finding the parts they need next day here, and most of the time we do everything that we possibly can do to have everything there the next day if your machine goes down. The spare parts department really tries to keep in stock maybe the parts that the customer would be looking for, because it's easier to have it on hand when they need it next day than it is to have to try to get it drop shipped. Favorite thing about working here is the people. I've been here since October of 1990, and it's just a wonderful place to work. Dave Phyllis is wonderful, and all the guys, Dan, Jacob, are wonderful, and it's just a nice place to work.